Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed faculty, guardians, and my dear children, a warm good morning to all of you. I stand before you this glorious morning with a heart filled with profound gratitude, and my spirit is ignited by the immense faith in the divine source that fuels our endeavors as we embark on a brand new academic year. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest appreciation for the incredible individuals, our dedicated principal, teachers, and guardians. Your unwavering commitment to the transformative power of collaboration and the tireless pursuit of our collective vision for education is truly inspiring. Your encouragement and guidance are invaluable as we navigate through the academic journey. We are fortunate to have mentors who believe in the potential of the students and are dedicated in nurturing their talents. Let us extend our heartfelt gratitude to them. I am honored to address you all and share my thoughts and hopes for the year ahead. This year holds endless possibilities, new challenges, and opportunity for personal and collective growth. As we step into this new year, let us embrace it with a sense of enthusiasm and open mindedness. Let us approach each day as an opportunity for learning and growth. We have the chance to expand our knowledge, explore new subjects, and develop skills that will shape our futures. Let us make the most of every lesson, every project, and every interaction. This academic year is not just about academic achievements, it is also a time for personal development and character building. Strive to cultivate qualities such as resilience, perseverance, and empathy. Be compassionate and supportive towards fellow classmates, offering a helping hand when needed and celebrating each other's success. Moreover, remember that education is not confined to the four walls of a classroom. It extends beyond the textbooks and exams. Engage in extracurricular activities that align with your interests and passions. Participate in sports, arts, and service of our society as they provide opportunities for holistic growth, teamwork, and self discovery. This year, challenge yourselves to think critically and ask questions. Be curious and seek knowledge beyond what is presented to you. Let us foster a love for learning that extends beyond the requirements of the curriculum. Embrace a growth mindset and believe in your own abilities to overcome the obstacles and reach your goals. Remember, my dear children, that this academic year is a chapter in our lives, a chapter that we have the power to write. Let us make it a chapter of excellence, integrity, and personal fulfillment. Let us make it a year where we not only gain knowledge but also cultivate values that will guide us throughout our lives. In closing, I am filled with anticipation for the journey that lies ahead. Together, let us make this academic year a memorable one, a year of generosity, empathy, compassion, growth, discovery, and achievements. Let us seize every opportunity, support one another, and leave an indelible mark on our society. Here's an extraordinary academic year ahead. Thank you, and let us embark on this grand adventure together, embracing the power of creativity, connection, and compassion to forge a brighter future for all. Thank you, one and all.